Is Lincoln loud?
So you really confronted that bully? That's right. I said to meet me at 3:30 in front of my house, and we're gonna settle this. Whoa! You're gonna fight? I'm not an animal, Clyde. I'm going to deliver a strongly worded speech as soon as I write it. Looks like that bully left you a note of their own. Huh? Lame-o.
How about the monkey?
Ooh, watermelon mine.
Better not let my sisters see this, because then they'll want to get involved and make things worse. The way they always do.
I don't know. Maybe they...
And then